Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to delete all revoked invite links from your Telegram group using the latest update on the PC app. If you manage a Telegram group, keeping your invite links organized and secure is essential. Removing revoked links helps prevent confusion and ensures only valid links are in use. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Next, find and open the group where you're an admin. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate your group if you have many chats. Once you're inside the group chat, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the window. Click on these three dots to open the group menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group management settings where you can control various aspects of your group. Now, in the management panel, look for the section called Invite Links. Click on it to view all the active and revoked invite links for your group. Here, you'll see a list of links that are currently valid, as well as those that have been revoked, but not yet deleted. To clean up your group, go to the Revoked Links section. You should see an option labeled Delete All. Next to the revoked links list, click on Delete All to remove every revoked invite link in one go. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete all revoked links. Confirm your choice, and Telegram will permanently remove all those old, unused links from your group settings. Once the process is complete, click Done to exit the management panel. Your group is now free from cluttered, revoked links, making it easier to manage and more secure for your members. That's it. You've successfully deleted all revoked links from your Telegram group using the PC app. Keeping your group invite links organized is a simple step that goes a long way in maintaining a safe and tidy community. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.